Jobrapido Online Job Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we're diving into Jobrapido, a global job search platform designed to help you find job opportunities across multiple industries. I've included links to the platform in the description below for easy access, so make sure to check them out. Jobrapido is an international job search engine that aggregates listings from a wide variety of sources, including company websites, job boards, and recruitment agencies. It's a platform for those looking for a diverse range of job opportunities, with listings available in many countries around the world. Whether you're looking for a full-time position, part-time work, or temporary roles, Jobrapido has something for everyone. One of the best features of Jobrapido is its powerful search engine. You can easily search for jobs based on location, job title, and even specific skills or keywords. The platform also allows you to filter results based on salary and contract type, so you can target positions that match your preferences. You can set up job alerts so that you're notified when new opportunities that match your search criteria are posted. This feature is incredibly helpful for staying updated with the latest job openings without having to constantly check the platform. The interface is clean, and while it might not be as visually polished as some other job platforms, it's still easy to navigate and user-friendly. The platform's job listings are comprehensive, covering industries like technology, sales, customer service, healthcare, and many more. However, unlike more niche job boards, Jobrapido casts a wide net and includes a mix of entry-level to senior roles. Another highlight is the platform's focus on simplifying the job application process. You can apply directly to jobs through the platform, making it convenient and quick to submit your resume. Plus, Jobrapido integrates with LinkedIn, allowing you to easily import your professional profile. On the flip side, while Jobrapido offers a lot of options, there is some inconsistency in the quality of listings. Some positions may be outdated or posted by agencies rather than direct employers, which means you might need to sift through listings a bit more than on specialized platforms. Overall, Jobrapido is a solid global job platform with a wide range of opportunities across various industries. Its search functionality, job alerts, and application ease make it a convenient tool for job seekers looking for variety and flexibility in their next role. If you're casting a wide net in your job search, Jobrapido is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more details.